So this is the kind of thing I want you to do out today. So I'm going to do this very basic for you, but the concept is the same. So I'm going to draw out, so I've done a bit of rough work here for you, but I gave you, what I want is a blank page, say. So the room that I'm working in today is looking something like this, okay? So I'll draw it out for you. So this is why we do out a plan. So we need measures and stuff for the plan of a room. Now, so the room is in a rectangle shape, okay? So the first thing I'm going to write is the room which I work in. Alright? Now, so that's my room, okay? Now, all of you are familiar with your room, so your classroom or something, whichever you want. So in my room then, there is, so the door starts here, and the door then is like this. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little door. Okay, so the door will open like so. So that's the door. Okay, and over here is a window. So this is my window. Alright? So window. Alright? Now, in here then, I have a desk. Okay? So this is my desk. Now, just to give you an idea, my desk is about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So don't worry about the units, right? So 9 by 5. So in terms of the scale of my room, the area of my desk is equal to 9 by 5, which is 45 units squared. Now that just gives you an idea of what I want you to do. Where my window is wider than my desk, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 by 2. So my window, the area of my window is 19 by 2, which is 38 units squared. Okay? And then over here behind me, I have a little corner sofa. Like so. Okay? So just to get you into the habit of drawing out, and so you know what area and perimeter is, okay? So I'm doing area first, as you can see. So what's the area? Well, I'm going to split this up into two little rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 2. 2, and that's 8. So the area is equal to 8 by 2, which is 16 units squared, plus 9 by 2, which is 18 units squared. So the total area, when I add them, is 34 units squared. Okay, so it's just to show you a few measurements. And in the middle of the floor, I just have a little mat. Okay, so it's something like this. Now you can put in your bed, your lockers, your desk, wherever you're working from. So my mat then is about 7 by 3. So the area is equal to 7 by 3, which is 21 units squared. Okay? And then, maybe in a different colour, let's do the perimeter of my desk. So the perimeter of my desk will be, add up all the sides. So this is 9, 9, 5 and 5. So what's 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5, which is equal to 28 units. Do you see? So it's just to do some measurements for you. The perimeter of my corner sofa will be 9 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is equal to 26, 28, 34 units. Okay? So that's interesting that the area and perimeter here are the same. Okay? Now do my mat. The perimeter is equal to 7 plus 3. The top will be 7 as well, and the other side is 3, which is equal to 20 units in measure. Alright? So that's what I want you to do, is just draw out, this is the room in which I work in, okay? But it just gives an idea of what I want you to do. Now you could use a farm shed, you could use a garage, you could use your living room, your kitchen, maybe your presses, your bedroom, just something easy, and just draw out to scale on your box and use the boxes that you have. So even if this is a compound shape, where these shapes are just more regular, by compound it has like an L shape, or you might have a H-shaped desk or a bed or something like that. But just try and make it out different. Like over here in my room, I just have a little cabinet, but it's very small. Okay, so again, what's the area? Well, 2 by 2, so the area is 2 times 2, which is 4 units squared. So they don't have to be drawn perfectly, but like that just gives you an idea of what I want you to do.